Have you filed your taxes yet? If you're watching this, I'm betting that you're filing your quarterly estimated taxes, or you're filing your personal taxes on or before April 15th, or April 18th if you're watching this in 2023. Tax day, woohoo! And I see you sliding in at the last second. Don't worry though, I get it, taxes are no fun. Especially when filing means scrounging up a mountain of invoices, receipts, and a whole bunch of other paperwork. So what's the solution? Come on, you know I'm already gonna say it. Hiring a bookkeeper. And I'm not just talking about hiring a bookkeeper when you're staring down the tax deadline in April. I'm talking about having a bookkeeper year-round. Having a bookkeeper makes tax season and the rest of the year so much easier. Ready to find out how? Let's dive in. Okay, first things first, bookkeepers and CPAs are not the same thing. A CPA is someone who's going to help you prepare your tax return and file your tax return. They might even throw in a little bit of tax strategy or wealth strategy depending on their level of knowledge and what service offerings they provide. Bookkeepers are actually doing the income and expense tracking and categorization that puts together the reports that you use to file your taxes. I like to think of bookkeepers as like the dental assistant or dental hygienist who is taking an x-ray of a patient and they're putting together the actual picture of the x-ray. We then give the picture of the x-ray to the dentist who is looking at it and saying, I see this there, I see that there. This is our treatment plan accordingly. So the bookkeeper is taking the x-ray, putting it all together and giving it to the dentist or the CPA who is then doing something with it. My husband's a dentist, so I had to throw in that analogy. Once a year bookkeeping is still better than no bookkeeping, but it's just not really enough. You don't get all of the benefits of having a bookkeeper, plus tax season can still be stressful. Here are all the tax benefits of having monthly bookkeeping. Your books and reports are completely up to date, so all you need to do is go into your system, pull a P&L, general ledger, and a balance sheet, and send those right to your CPA. Easy. This makes it easier for your CPA to identify business deductible expenses, and it helps keep your business and personal expenses separate. You can also pull those monthly reports throughout the year to make your quarterly estimated tax payments more accurate. If your CPA has eyes on this type of real-time information, then you're not overpaying or underpaying your quarterly estimated tax payments throughout the year. Not overpaying the IRS? I call that a win. Monthly bookkeeping also helps you understand your tax liability throughout the year so that you can really implement a tax saving strategy. Because we all know, we've all had those thoughts of spending money in December to try to get a tax write-off. That is not the way to do it. Please just don't. Here are also some other benefits of monthly bookkeeping. You can watch your finances throughout the year and know when it's time to make changes, like electing to file as an S-Corp if you're an LLC. You can also know whether you can afford to hire a new team member. This information alone is gold because when you can hire a team member, you have something that's off of your plate and you can continue doing revenue generating activities in your business. You can also know whether you can afford to make a big purchase or investment or even take time away from your business. Tax time is always a little stressful, but it is so much easier if you've been keeping up with your books throughout the year. You won't be scrambling to find receipts or try to remember what you purchased at Office Depot last July. Your quarterly estimated tax payments will be more accurate, yay, and you'll have a better understanding of your business finances all year long. Don't want to do your own bookkeeping? Hire a professional. I am a bookkeeper. I have a team of bookkeepers underneath me who love to do this type of stuff. We do bookkeeping on a monthly basis, so we are actually getting this done every single month for you, sending you reports every month so you can make big decisions in your business, like hiring a team member or investing or taking time off. We specialize in working with creative online business owners. So if you use Dubsado, Honeybook, Stripe, PayPal, Thrivecart, Kajabi, Kartra, we know you and we get you. All of our processes are built for the way that you run your business. No extra steps and no poor fit categories. Just streamlined categorizations and reports that show you what's happening in your business. Yes, we customize these reports. We want them to work with how your brain works. Anyways, I have linked my services down below. My DMs are open. I would love to chat with you if you are in need of monthly bookkeeping services. See y'all next time.